is beginning of April 2021, replacing the water pump on the C4 Corvette. It's quite a difficult job if you don't know what the heck you're doing, especially since you got to remove so much of the AC piping and condenser, whatever you call that thing. But anyway, Frank is an experienced technician, and he's able to move all that stuff out of the way without disconnecting anything, not losing any freon. So that's a big plus. So as far as he's concerned, it's a fairly simple job, but did a nice job. Made sure everything was nice and clean. This next picture here shows the head gasket leaking a little bit, dripping down, but Frank put a lot of sealer on that, and we think that's going to hold pretty well. Shouldn't give us a problem in the future. We did a couple of mods while we're doing this. One was adding an insert to the throttle body, which goes right in the middle of the throttle body, and that helps with the airflow. And then the other, as you can see this picture, that piece right in the middle is an add-on. And then the last thing, we're running out of space here. Oh, no, we got a little bit more room. And one more thing, we left off this gigantic pulley that on the left there. We took that off. We saved about 3 or 4 pounds.